Welcome to what's been called the Silicon Valley of India, a place where innovative ideas and state-of-the-art technology come together to help meet some of the world's most critical needs in the 21st century. It's here where Beckman Coulter Life Sciences continues its legacy as a leader in research and manufacturing for more than 85 years, and where we transform our patented technologies into the life-changing products used in laboratories and hospitals around the world. Historically, our 90,000 square foot Bangalore manufacturing facility has produced more than 1,300 high-quality panels per year, which is about 2 million reagent tubes per year.
This expanded space enables us to manufacture more than 24 of reagents available in our catalog, both for clinical and important research use. And just as significant, it means we can manufacture more than 400 custom reagents for more than 3,000 hospitals and laboratory customers worldwide.
We strive to keep pace with our customers by using cutting-edge automation to help maximize efficient production of our proprietary Dura Innovations technologies.
Our proprietary Dura Innovation technology has helped revolutionize phenotyping for leukemia and non-Hodgkin lymphoma, which has made a vital difference in the lives of millions of patients across the globe.
It all starts in our R&D labs, where our scientists are constantly exploring new ways to help simplify and accelerate workflows in clinical labs of all sizes. Because when we make our laboratory customers' lives better, they can help make patients' lives better. Of course, modern healthcare demands rigorous quality control. That's why we strive to go above and beyond, making sure that all of our products meet strict quality standards.
Efficient production and quality have to go hand in hand. So integrating quality checks at each step in the manufacturing process has been critical to our success. I think it's our commitment to excellence that helps us make sure our flow cytometry reagents don't just meet but exceed the expectations of our customers. Ultimately, that helps our customers exceed the expectations of their patients, and that means a lot to all of us here.
Our proprietary Dura Innovation technology, manufactured in this very facility, takes flow cytometry innovation to the next level. These are multicolored, pre-formulated, dried-down reagents that help flow cytometry labs worldwide to streamline their workflows and increase their efficiency.
Collaborating with our cross-functional teams from product design, manufacturing and quality control greatly accelerate our capability for meeting our customer needs. We anticipate that our portfolio will be able to grow even more rapidly thanks to the highly effective workflow integration we have been able to achieve.
At Beckman Coulter Life Sciences, the Danaher Business System is driving our success, and DBS serves as our trusted methodology for measuring performance, driving ongoing improvement and change. It is the foundation of our competitive advantage, cultivating a culture of continuous improvement. This approach drives the significant progress, allowing us to foster innovation, accelerate time to market, reduce lead time, and introduce cutting-edge products and solutions.
We also strive to provide a high-quality work environment for all of our associates, who enjoy an array of amenities designed to support ongoing employee health, energetic collaboration, and optimum work-life balance.
We are proud of the fact that we designed this new facility to help maximize sustainability. For instance, this is a zero liquid discharge facility, and 30% of our power requirement comes from solar energy. Waste recycling protocols and green space are the tangible example of our commitment to responsible manufacturing for today and the future.
One of our core values has always been a belief that the best team wins. And every associate at Beckman Coulter Life Sciences is part of a growing global team, a team dedicated to providing customers with the top quality reagent products they need today and to discovering the innovations they will demand in the future. We like to think that the future of life sciences starts here, with us, in the Silicon Valley of India. And it's a future we look forward to being part of.